So, you've caught your crush's attention. Well done, my protege, well done. Now, the real challenge begins, keeping your crush interested. Don't worry though, I've got 10 things that'll help you stay on their mind for all the right reasons. You've got this. Number 1, be confident but stay authentic. Confidence is magnetic. Everyone notices and everyone somehow is attracted to it, whether they want to be or not. This is why it's so important to know yourself, own who you are, and let others see the real you, flaws, quirks, and all. Now, we all have areas we should aim to grow. If you find you're quick to anger, for example, this doesn't mean just accepting that and telling others your firecracker mouth is what it is. Areas of growth should still be worked on, but the true and good parts of your character need to shine through. People sense authenticity, and it's a major turn on when your crush sees you are comfortable in your own skin. Number 2, show genuine interest in their life. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. Most people don't realize this reason, but you will. Listen more than you speak with your crush to show genuine interest. Ask good questions about their hobbies, passions, or the wild story about their last vacation. People usually love talking about things they love, and it forges an instant stronger connection with them because they will associate you with the positive feelings they get in your conversations. Number 3, keep the mystery alive. I never understood couples who farted around each other or used the toilet with the door open. I'm sorry, but it isn't cute. No one thinks it is. And that's supposed to be the person you want to connect romantically with and share attraction with. Keep the mystery alive. I mean, you probably weren't planning on farting in front of your crush, but this still rings true for what we say. You also don't have to spill your entire life story in one sitting. Leave your crush a little curious and wanting to know more about you. Hint at something unique or fun stories that you'll share with them. Next time, that is. Number 4, have shared experiences. Nothing bonds people like shared memories, especially ones with some adrenaline. Whether it's an inside joke or an impromptu adventure, creating moments together will bond you and your crush and give you something to reminisce about the next time of many you're together. Number 5, be considerate and thoughtful. Small actions go a long way. Use that active listening and questioning we mentioned to remember their favorite snack. Send a quick good luck text before their next big meeting or presentation, or compliment their taste in music. This thoughtfulness shows you care about them more than a generic friend would. And for the record, thoughtfulness shows careful planning, whereas the word considerate is being mindful of one's feelings and needs. Combine the two and you've got a powerful recipe for showing someone that you care and are an awesome addition to their life. Number 6, keep things light and fun. Don't overcomplicate things early on. Sadly, this tip is geared more towards women because we tend to overthink more than men. No offense, men. The start of relationships needs to be the bait and hook. This should be fun 95% of the time because you haven't really dug deep into the personal or tricky subjects that serious dating will bring on. So flirt, joke around, and keep the vibe lighthearted. This creates a positive association when they think of you, making them excited to see you again. Number 7, show your independence. The cousin to keeping things light is being independent. No one wants a clingy, I'll do anything for you love bomber from day one. That just reeks of desperation. People are attracted to those who have their own life going on. Pursue your passions, spend time with friends, and learn something new. Independence not only makes you more interesting, but it also shows that you don't need your crush. You just want them. Number 8, be a little unpredictable. Listen, I'm the most type A person in the room, but even I know I need a sprinkle of spontaneity to be well balanced in love. Send a random text that makes them laugh or suggest an unexpected but fun activity to do together. Adding an element of surprise keeps things exciting. Number 9, respect their space. Do you enjoy being smothered or having a sweater stuck over your face? No, me either, and nobody else does. It's not about playing hard to get. It's just about a little give and take. If you find you're always making plans, take a step back and let them initiate the next time. Think of it as a seesaw effect for balance. Don't smother them. Number 10, stay positive and uplifting. Energy is so contagious. Have you ever met someone once and immediately decided you would rather become a monk than speak to them ever again? Yep, that's energy. If you're upbeat, encouraging, and motivating, your crush will naturally gravitate towards you alongside others. Be a source of positivity in others' lives, and they'll surely stick around for it. All right, folks, there are your 10 foolproof ways to keep your crush hooked. Use as many as you'd like. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. As always, thanks for watching.